Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial from 3D Sen channel. In this tutorial I will teach you how to make custom shortcuts in SketchUp to speed up your SketchUp workflow. So before we begin, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends if you haven't already. So let's jump in. First of all, go to the Window tab and click on Performances. Here after that, click on Shortcuts. I want to make a shortcut for the undo the previous camera tool. Here filter the tool's name, previous. Here camera previous, click on it. Here I want to add Ctrl Shift X, then click on the plus icon. Here the shortcut has added here. Then click on OK. We have made the custom shortcuts. Now let me change the camera to here. By clicking the tool, you can jump to your previous camera view. So by shortcut that we have made it recently, I want to check it. Ctrl Shift X. That's it. Okay. Let me try it again. Ctrl Shift X, like this. Now I will add the second custom shortcut for the dimensions tool. As I did first, go to the Window tab, click on Performances. Here I want to filter the name of the dimensions tool. Here type dimensions. Here this is the dimensions tool. Here I want to add the shortcut N, just N. Then click on plus icon. Here the custom shortcut assigned, and here you can click OK to make a custom shortcut. Also let me try the new shortcut. By pressing the N key, the custom shortcut has created successfully, like this. Okay. Now if you want to remove the custom shortcut, also you can go to the Window tab, click on Performances. Here I want to remove the shortcut or change the shortcut of the dimensions tool. Here filter the name of the tool, dimensions. Here we add before this N shortcut. If you want to remove it, click on the hyphen sign. It will remove, and click on OK. The shortcut has removed. The shortcut is not applying. Okay, so this was our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.